the witness.
I proceed to respond then.
Thank you. And the reason why we have given documents in relation to 3 people or 3 persons mentioned, the answer is in the motion itself and the manner in which it was framed, where it was indicated, the allegation was that the governor has grossly violated the law in the following: through embezzlement of county funds through the governor's sisters and the nephew to the governor's husband, all of whom are collectively referred to as the governor's relatives. That was A. B says is withdrawal of county funds under the guise of payment for various supplies by the governor's relatives. So the manner in which this particular count was framed, we were required to respond to the issues of the persons referred and collectively referred in the motion as governor's relatives, and they were listed, they were enumerated there. So if the motion indicated that the governor, or the allegation or the claim was that the governor has embezzled funds through Jane Karimi or any other person that appears in the IFMIS, then we would have substantively responded to that.
Thank you. Lastly, Senator Sifuna.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To counsel for the Assembly, there have been repeated references to alleged forgeries. This is specifically with regards to a work ticket whose serial number has appeared severally. I want the Assembly to clarify whether those documents have been subjected to any verification process, which Council is aware, whether there is a document examiner's report to back the allegation or assertion by the Assembly that in fact those documents are forgeries. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Counsel for the County Assembly.
Mr. Speaker, we only received those documents, I believe, on Saturday evening, so we've not had the opportunity to subject them to a forensic examination. However, you don't need to be an expert in forensics to point out that the dates in that work ticket don't follow natural chronology of events. You don't have to be an expert in document analysis if you're familiar with the frequency of the use of motor vehicles to know that the same work ticket cannot apply to different motor vehicles or even the same motor vehicle for a period of 4 months. And it is on those prima facie, on the face of it, discrepancies and irregularities that we concluded they were forgeries. The next reason why we concluded they were forgeries, these are documents that should be easily available in the governor's office. They were not availed to the Assembly when they were requested, and they were not availed to the Assembly in the impeachment motion. We are being slapped with them at the tail end. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Now, counsel for the governor, you indicated you had 4 witnesses. You may now proceed to call your 4th witness.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our next and last witness is Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County.
By way of time indication, Counsel, how much time do you think you will need with this witness?
I